Hi guys, Wayne from Mobile Level Repairs, and we've got a beautiful Aston Martin to do today, and we're pretty much doing the whole interior, so we're going to spend a whole day getting this looking, you know, pretty good again. But if you look at it, you can see, look, there's little bits that's spoiling it. Okay, beautiful car like this, anything seems to taint it. Can you see these little scratches down here? Look, little bits everywhere. So we're going to do the door card, we're going to do the steering wheel. Look at this. This is how my colleague nicely masks off a steering wheel. Look at this. Obviously we're going to mask all this off as well. Put a blanket over there before, but this is pretty much the steering wheel. Then you can see the seats, and you can see, look, it's just little bits, as I say, that's tainting it, but this is really quality leather and will come out great. And you can see the dashboard, little bits of the gear stick as well there. Let's go around the other side. And again, you know, little tiny bumps, look, little tiny bumps and things there, look. Okay, there's one on this top of this door as well here. Okay, so we're going to get this looking fabulous, okay, and we'll show you the video straight after this. All right, bye for now. Welcome back, guys. Wayne from Mobile Level Repairs, and we finished this Aston Martin now, and I tell you what, it doesn't get better than this. Have a look at this now. These are pretty much like brand new seats, back to its original colour and finish. And here, except for the few proper creases, look, this is absolutely spot on. No cracks in there anymore. Okay, look at this, absolutely bang on for this prestige car. Little cracks that you saw earlier on, all gone. Nothing on there at all now, look guys. Okay, steering wheel, absolutely superb. Nice satin finish on this because it was shiny and dirty. So the satin finish now is very strong, and will keep this car looking pristine. Let's have a look around the other side. This Premier, look. And then you can see the little bit that was on here, look, where we zoomed in before. Now there's nothing there, look. Okay, so we've done the whole door card, pretty much the whole interior has been done on this, look. Absolutely superb job. Okay, so if you want your prestige cars doing, all right, contact us. Wayne from Mobile Level Repairs. Bye for now.